guys. So now let's do my skincare routine. Try. So what I'm gonna do is just do hindi naman ako pimple, pero yung problema ko lang is nagkaka-oil ng skin ko, which is for me, parang thankful ako kasi parang I don't know how this works. I'm not a doctor, I'm not an expert, pero based on my experience, if dry yung skin ko, doon ako nag-break out. Pero if lumalabas yung natural oil ng skin ko, parang ano siya, parang kino-cover niya lahat. So, mas gusto ko yung ganyan yung skin ko. Yung medyo oily, lalo nag-gising ko sa umaga. Parang bumabata. Bumabata! So, while waiting, I'm just brush my teeth. I will wash my fish face now. Ayaw ko na iwan yung leg ko. After that, actually I forgot my tissue. Let me just get it from the outside. Asa ba si Big? Ayaw ko naiiwan na ba sa hindi ko kasi parang nag-dry siya. Lalo na gumagamit ako ng mga sabon. Nag-dry siya. So yun. After that, yes, I'm gonna use this. Travel kit yung binibili ko kasi may lang umalis. Mag-travel. Kaya, ready to go. Anytime. As you can see guys, papatangan dito. Hindi ako wala gamit. Mahilig gumamit ng cotton. I tried it pero parang hindi ako happy. Kaya I switch back to using clean hands. Next would be this one. Kaya ba? Kaya ba self? Hindi. Static Dermoscience Hydration Facial Moisturizer with Triple Moisturizing System. So this is it. That's it. Just a big one. Ang nilagyan ko yung big ko. Hindi pwedeng mula sa. Again, I'm just gonna use this.